the machines become self-aware.
Strict controls.
Machine is powerful, stronger than us.
Humans couldn't compete.
Because I know we won't be able to uninvent it.
We scratch the surface of AI, artificial intelligence. Think about that. We're talking here about in the early 80s. And today, everyone is frightened of it, of where this is going to go. And in this movie, in Terminator, we talk about the machines become self-aware and they take over. And so that is such a brilliant writing, and because now, after all those decades, it has become a reality.
Yes.
So it's not anymore fantasy or kind of futuristic. It is here today. And so this is the extraordinary writing of Jim Cameron.
And we see reference to it all the time. I hear them saying AI is going to get out of control, and they always reference Skynet. Remember Skynet.
The primitive forms of artificial intelligence we already have proved very useful. But I think the development of full artificial intelligence could spell the end of the human race. Once humans develop artificial intelligence, it would take off on its own and redesign itself at an ever-increasing rate. Humans, who are limited by slow biological evolution, couldn't compete and would be superseded.
Because the day when we design the machine, we know machine is powerful, stronger than us. When we design the trains and buses, we know machine is going to run faster than us. When we have the computers, we have to know that machine is going to be smarter than us. But the human being, they are not only smart, they have the wisdom.
And so artificial intelligence will never have wisdom?
No.
No.
No. It's about a value, it's about wisdom, it's about experience. It's about the user experience. It's about your life experience. So I don't think the artificial intelligence is going to replace the wisdom. Artificial intelligence is going to be very smart. So between the smart and the wisdom, smart people know what you want. Wise people knows what they don't want.
Well, I don't think the AI is going to try to destroy all humanity, but it might put us under strict controls. Non-zero chance of it going Terminator. It's not 0%, but it's a small likelihood of annihilating humanity, but it's not zero. We want that probability to be zero, as close to zero as possible. And then, like I said, assuming control for the safety of all the humans and taking over all the computing systems and weapon systems of Earth, and effectively being like some sort of Uber nanny.
But isn't another scenario?
If you say the AI, like, well, you know, like let's say you're you know, a Miss World contestant, hypothetically.
It's unlikely. Let's face it. But
and you know, you say, what do you want? And it's I want world peace. It's like, okay, well, you know, one way to achieve world peace is to take all the weapons away from the humans, so they can no longer use them, and to punish any humans that engage in, you know, extraterritorial activity.
When something can do all kinds of things, I get a little bit worried, because I know we won't be able to uninvent it, and you know, we did invent, for very, very good reason, the atom bomb in World War II, and it was, you know, it was enormously important that we did so. But is it good for the next 200 years of the world that the ability to do so has been unleashed? We didn't have any choice, but when you start something, well, Einstein said after the atom bomb, he said, this has changed everything in the world except how men think. And I would say the same thing may, not the same thing, I don't mean that, but I mean, with AI, it can change everything in the world except how men think and behave. And that's a big step to take. It's a good question, and it's the best answer we can give.